Hi everyone. So I'm getting a little bit further into building this three.js app, which I've been kind of interested in working on for a little bit, which is the structural building I wrote within three.js. So I thought I'd just, phone going off, just show where things are going and sort of the direction I've been taking it, just for because I'm finding it interesting. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. 2 seconds. Okay. So basically, this is where it stands at the moment. As you can see, you've still got the plane, and I've kind of tried to narrow down the tools. There's a few things which are really going to help build. Things like this concept of levels now, so you can have levels within a building, which really helps build something. So I'm going to actually try and build like a castle of some sort, just because that's interesting. I'm going to do this quick, so I'll probably make a lot of mistakes while I'm doing it, but let me kind of rotate this around. So I kind of work with the idea at first of maybe I should automatically create floors, or maybe there's something which can be, do I even need floors? Because maybe ceilings can work as floors as well. Oh, I'm kind of still working on some of this to make it a little bit nicer. As I say, I'm going to rush around through this. And I ultimately decided that floors are actually pretty useful. I mean, as the app goes forward, I'd make it so you can sort of color floors as you want, give them maybe materials. So I'm actually going to build the outer layer of this castle, like a wall, to guard the inside. So you can see I'm kind of rushing through this, building walls, and let's kind of give them kind of like turrets on each side like this. As I say, at the moment, there's really you can only really make walls, or you can make floors and ceilings, but you can actually kind of do quite a lot with that. So I'm going to now add a level. That's our first floor to the castle. Let's add another level. You can see, as you kind of add levels, it blocks out the previous levels, or kind of makes them a bit more transparent, so you can see where you're working. So this level, I don't really want a floor. I just kind of want to raise this wall up a little bit further. So let's do that. Okay, let's continue with the turrets. Okay. We've got someone continuing this, making the wall a little bit higher so that, people maybe can't get in. Let's add another level. And let's kind of make this the top level. So let's, for the root, let's take this off. So let's kind of make this the top level for, actually, let's kind of make the second level. Let's make this first level the top for the wall. So let's add a ceiling to these parts. I mean, as I go forward, I kind of imagine that you can kind of add ramparts, or, kind of give it more fencing or chains or something. I don't know. We'll kind of do more things. So that's kind of now the first level done. The second, kind of wall done. Let's add to the turrets. Let's kind of make the turrets just a bit taller, so it's kind of a bit more fun. Here we go. Adding turret. Adding another turret. Okay, let's do that. Walls. Okay. So I'm speeding through this because more haste, less speed, right? Okay, let's destroy this. Okay, let's put this wall back in place. Another one here. And then let's put ceilings on these. So now we've kind of got our outer wall. Messy still. We've got our outer wall going. So let's do the top of these. You can kind of see now that you got all these. You can cycle through the levels and see how the structure's built. And as I go forward, I'll make it so you can kind of switch between this build view and just for view. So let's kind of just make something in the center of the castle, just so I feel like we've got something there. Let's create a floor. Let's build a wall at this base level. Let's put a back room with some sort of thing there for the base floor. Let's add a ceiling to it. So that's going to be go between levels. Skip to the second floor. Let's plot some floor there. I mean, I think you can definitely skip between using ceilings and floors. I just kind of, that's just the way I like doing it because I guess I'm anal. Second floor, and then let's put a ceiling because you probably don't want to have your thing go higher than the walls of the castle. And yeah, that's basically off a really simple construction. We can see just with walls, floors, and ceilings, we can kind of get a lot going. I think next, I'm going to start looking at windows and doors, sort of basic construction, things like that. Keep going the app as long as it keeps being fun. So far, I'm having a pretty fun time with it. So, yeah, thank you for your time and listening, and I'll keep everyone up to date as how it goes. Okay, thanks. Bye.